Remember when you could just buy something and actually own it? Yeah, those good old days are gone. Because now, everything wants a piece of you, every single month. Let's go back in time. 10 years ago, when you wanted Photoshop, you paid once and owned it forever. Want music? Buy the album. Done. Want games? Buy the disc and play forever. No one was asking you for money every month. But then companies had a thought. What if instead of getting paid once, we get paid every single month, forever? And just like that, everything changed. It has become more of a psychological game for companies. Now be honest, would you rather pay $250 right now or $10 every month? Most people pick $10. It feels smaller and less painful. Your brain sees a tiny number and goes, yeah, I can handle that. But $10 a month for 2.5 years? That's $300. By this, you actually paid $50 more to the company. It just never felt like it because it came in small, sneaky doses. And companies count on you forgetting that you subscribed. You signed up during a free trial, the trial ended, and now you've been paying for months for an app you haven't opened since a year. Now let me explain why companies love this so much. Imagine you run a lemonade stand and selling $2 a cup. Some days you sell 50 cups, but some days it rains and you sell 0, so you're stressed. You can't plan anything. Now imagine 200 people pay you $25 every single month for unlimited lemonade. Now let it rain or shine, you know exactly $25 is coming in from everyone. This way you can plan, hire, and grow. Life is good. That's recurring revenue, predictable money, and investors absolutely loves it. Companies running on subscription model get valued way higher than companies that sell things once. That's why Netflix, Spotify, and Adobe never looked back. But here's where it gets dark. It's never just about one subscription. You've got Netflix, Spotify, cloud storage, a fitness app you open twice a year, a VPN some YouTuber told you to get. Each one feels like nothing. $4 here, $5 there. Until you add it up and it's $50 quietly leaving your account every month. Companies aren't just building products anymore, they're engineering habits. They want canceling to feel like more work than just letting it charge you. That's the whole game. They don't want to make a sale, they just want to become a bill. Because you question purchases, but autopay? It just silently lives in your bank account forever. So every once in a while, do what companies are terrified you'll do. Open your bank app, look at every recurring charge, and ask to yourself, do I actually use this? If no, then cancel it immediately. Be the person who owns things, not the person who rents everything they own. And before leaving, subscribe to Daily Sense. It's free, no monthly charge, no sneaky trial. Unlike everyone else, I am not going to bill you for it. I'll see you in the next one.